Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize documents upload on Google Drive for acquisitions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Log in to your Google account using your credentials. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, locate the plus new button on the left side of the screen. Click the plus new button to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Folder to create a new folder for your acquisition documents. Name the folder appropriately, such as Acquisition Documents, and click Create. After your folder appears, double-click on it to open it. To grant access for document uploads, click on the folder name at the top. Select Share from the drop-down options. In the sharing settings, enter the email addresses of the individuals or teams who need upload access. Once you've added the email addresses, set their permissions to editor to allow file uploads. You can choose whether to notify people by email or not. After configuring the settings, click Send to share the folder. Your collaborators will now receive an email with a link to the shared folder. Return to your Google Drive homepage to verify the folder and its settings. To test the upload permissions, have one of the collaborators attempt to upload a file. Make sure they can successfully upload documents without issues. If they encounter any problems, revisit the sharing settings to ensure the permissions are correctly set. This process grants your team the ability to easily upload necessary documents for acquisitions. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and efficient document management process on Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.